Next problem. Integral sin x plus cos x by square root of sin 2x dx. One point here. Integral sin x plus cos x by square root of sin 2x. Now sin x plus minus cos x, derivative of sin x minus cos x, sin x derivative is cos x, cos x derivative is minus sin x, minus of minus plus sin x, so cos x plus sin x. Here numerator is derivative of sin x minus cos x. 1 minus sin 2x equals sin x minus cos x whole square. 1 minus sin 2x is sin x minus cos x whole square. It is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square sin square x plus cos square x equals 1. Minus 2ab minus 2 sin x cos x sin 2x. Yes or no? Now integral sin x plus cos x by square root of 1 minus of 1 minus sin 2x dx. 1 minus 1 cancelled out, so minus of minus plus sin 2x. 1 minus sin 2x is a perfect square. Integral sin x plus cos x by square root of 1 minus sin 2x is sin x minus cos x whole square. Sin x minus cos x whole square dx. Now let sin x minus cos x be t. Derivative with respect to x. Sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x, minus of minus plus sin x dx equals dt. Now integral sin x plus cos x into dx equals dt. 1 by square root of 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square dt. 1 by square root of 1 minus t square, it is the sin inverse x. Yes or no? Integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx equals sin inverse x plus c. Now integral 1 by square root of 1 minus t square dt sin inverse t plus c. What is the t in terms of x? Here t equals sin x minus cos x. Now sin inverse of sin x minus cos x plus c. This is the final one. Next one, primitive of sin inverse minus 3 by sin power minus 3 by 2x sin inverse 1 by 2 of x plus theta is primitive. Primitive means integral of this one. Now integral sin inverse sin power minus 3 by 2x. So this will be 1 by sin power 3 by 2x. This one is sin power 1 by 2 of x plus theta dx with respect to x dx. Now sin power 3 by 2x, this one is square root of sin cube x. Yes or no? Square root of sin cube x. This one actually sin cube x whole power 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Now integral, this one also square root of 1 by square root of sin cube x into sin of x plus theta dx. Integral 1 by square root of sin cube x sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now sin a cos b plus cos a sin b dx. Sine cube x is not a perfect square, yes or no? Power of sine is 3, odd number. We cannot find square root of sine cube x. So better one is sine square x, bring outside. Now integral 1 by square root of sine cube x into sine x. Now bring outside sine x, left with us constant cos theta here. Cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta, cot theta, sorry, cos x by sin x, cot x, sin theta, dx. Now it is a perfect square, sin cube x into sin x, square root of, integral 1 by square root of, so sin power 4x, square root of sin power 4x is sin square x, sin square x. So bracket cos theta plus cot x sin theta dt or dx. Okay, 1 by sin square x. What 1 by sin square x? Cosecant square x. Integral cosecant square x by square root of cos theta plus cot x sin theta dx. Can we observe derivative of cot x available in the numerator? Is or not available in numerator? Derivative of cot x is cosecant square x. Now let square root of cos theta plus cot x sin theta be t. Derivative with respect to x. What is the derivative of root x? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Yes or no? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Now this one is 1 by 2 root cos theta plus cot x into sin theta. Now what is the function of x here? Cos theta plus cot x into sin theta. Derivative of this one. Cos theta is purely constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Now cot x derivative cosecant square x. Cosecant square x. Sin theta is a constant. So into sin theta. Into sin theta. One point, cot x derivative is a minus cosecant square x. So minus of, now dx equal to dt. Dx equal to dt. Now your numerator is cosecant square x by square root of cos theta plus cot x sin theta. Now okay, you require only cosecant square x dx by square root of cos theta plus cot x sin theta equal to cross multiplication minus 2 dt by sin theta, minus 2 dt by sin theta. Prepare this one. Integral, enter this one be minus 2, bring outside constant, minus 2, it is the t, sin theta is a purely constant. Yes. So theta is a purely constant, minus 2 by sin t integral dt. So integral 1 dt. Now minus 2 by sin theta, integral 1 with respect to t is into t. So what is the t in terms of, x? Here t equals to square root of cos theta plus cot x into sin theta plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral 1 by x, 1 by log x base e minus 1 by log x base e whole square dx. Okay. Better one is let log x base equal to t. Log x base equal to t. Now x equal to e power t. As or no? log a base p equal to 5. Now a equal to p power 5. Now log x base equal to t. Now x will be e power t. Derivative with respect to x. Dx equal to e power derivative of e power t, e power t, e power t. Derivative of t is dt. Dx equal to e power t into dt. So now dx, what is dx? E power t into dt. Now log x base is t, 1 by t minus 1 by t square. Can we observe it is in the form of e power x, f of x plus f dash x dx. So integral e power x, f of x plus f dash x dx equal to, what is the formula? E power x into f of x. This one is f of x, this one is f dash x. Derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Now formula e power x into f of x. E power x into f of x. What is f of x? 1 by t plus c. What is the t in terms of x? What is the t in terms of x? Log x base e. Now e power log x base e 1 by t log x base e plus c. Log 5 base a power log 5 base a. This value is 1. So what is the answer? 5 only. So e power log x base e. This value is 1. So x into 1 into x into x by log x base e plus c. This is the final answer. X by log x base e plus c. So first one is the right answer. Next problem, integral dx by square root of sin x into cos x. This one similar to previous and దీనికి ముందు చెప్పే ప్రాబ్లం కన్నా బిఫోర్ దట్ అండి ఇంకా ముందు చెప్పారు వన్ ప్రాబ్లం ముందు చెప్పాము కదండి దాని సిమిలర్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇంటిగ్రల్ dx by square root of sin cube x into cos x. So sin cube x, power of sin is 3, odd number, it's not a perfect square. So multiplied by sin x divided by sin x. Now integral dx by square root of sin power 4x cos x by sin x, that is cot x. Now integral dx by square root of sin power 4x is sin square x square root of cot x. Okay, so 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x. Integral cosecant square x by square root of cot x dx. Can we observe derivative of cot x available in numerator? As a, what is the derivative of cot x? Minus cosecant square x. Now let cot x be t, derivative with respect to x, minus cosecant square x dx equal to dt. Now integral cosecant square x dx equal to minus dt by square root of t. So 1 by integral 1 by root 2. What is integral 1 by root 2? 2 root 2. So minus 2 root t plus c. 1 by square root of t. Integral 1 by root x. Important results. Integral 1 by root x dx equal to 2 root x plus c. 2 root x plus c. What is the t in terms of x here? Minus 2 times of square root of cot x plus c. Okay. Integral x power minus 1 by 2. What is the integral minus 1 by 2? X power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. Now, denominator 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will take 2 by 1. 2 into root x. So which one is the right option? Minus 2 root x. The given options in terms of 10. Okay. Now, or minus 2 by square root of tan x plus c. This is the final answer. Minus 2 by square root of tan x plus c. So, both one is the right option. Next one, if integral dx by x into square root of x cube, square root of 1 minus x cube equal to a log square root of 1 minus x cube minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x cube plus 1 plus b, then a. Question is the value of a. Okay, here under root 1 minus x cube, square root of 1 minus x cube. Let 1 minus x cube be t square. 1 minus x cube be t square. Now derivative with respect to x, constant 0 minus 3x square dx equal to minus 2t dt. Now numerator available only a dx. Okay. Now dx equal to minus 2 by 3 t dt by x square. Now integral dx equal to minus 2 by 3, bring outside constant t by x square into 1 by x into square root of 1 minus x cube dt. Now minus 2 by 3 integral t by x cube. What is x cube here? 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. Now square root of 1 minus x cube. Square root of 1 minus x cube. Square root of t square. That is a t dt. These two are cancelled out. Now 2 by 3 integral 1 by minus of this one t square minus 1 dt. Integral 1 by x square minus a square. Integral 1 by x square minus a square 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Now 2 by 3 1 by 2a. 1 by 2 into a. The value of a is 1. X square minus a square. T square minus 1 square. 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a. So now t minus 1 by t plus 1 plus c. Now 2 cancel out. So now 1 by 3 log of, what is the value of t in terms of x? Here t equal to square root of 1 minus x cube minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x cube plus 1 plus c. Question is the value of a. Compare these two. Okay, compare these two. What is the value of a? The value of a is 1 by 3. So first one is the right option. Next problem, integral 7 power 7 power 7 power x into 7 power 7 power x into 7 power x dx. What is the derivative of a power x? A power x into log a. A power x into log a. Derivative of a power x equal to a power x into log a. Now let 7 power 7 power 7 power x be t. Now it is a and the term is x. A power x. Derivative with respect to x. What is the derivative of a power x? A power x log a. Now a power x. Now 7 power 7 power 7 power x into log a. What log a? Log 7. Now derivative of this one. Derivative of this one. What derivative of 7 power x? Again, derivative of a power x. A power x into log a. A is 7. 7 power x into log a. Log 7. Now derivative of 7 power x. What derivative of 7 power x? 7 power x into log 7. 7 power x into log 7. Derivative of x is dx equal to dt. Now log 7 is the common thing. Now 7 power 7 power 7 power x into 7 power 7 power x into 7 power x. Now log 7, your base is e whole cube dx equal to dt. Your numerator available 7 power 7 power 7 power x 7 power 7 power x 7 power x dx equals dt by this value. Integral dt by log 7 base e whole cube. Log 7 base e whole cube. It is a purely constant log 7 base e. Now bring outside. Now log 1 by log 7 base e integral 1 dt. Now 1 by log 7 base e integral 1 dt. Integral 1 with respect to t, that is into t. What is it here? In terms of x, 1 by log 7 base e into 7 power 7 power 7 power x plus c. Okay, sorry, this one is a whole cube. Okay, whole cube. One important point, log 7 base e whole cube not equal to log 3 log 7 base e. Log 7 base e whole cube not equal to 3 log 7 base e. Okay. Log 7 power 3 base e equal to 3 log 7 base e. Okay. Log 7 power 3 base e equal to 3 log 7 base e. But log 7 base e whole cube not equal to 3 log 7 base e. This is important one. Okay. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral 1 by x cube log x power x base e whole square dx. Okay. First simplify with this one. Integral log x power x base e log a power p base b equal to p log a base b. Okay. Listen to me. In log x power x base e, this will be x into log x base e whole square dx. Now x power 2, that is x square, right? X square by x cube log x base e whole square dx. Now integral 1 by x, it means log x base e whole square by x dx. Can we observe derivative of log x? What derivative of log x? 1 by x. Now let log x be t. Derivative with respect to x. 1 by x dx equal to dt. 1 by x dx equal to dt. Now log x base e, log x equals t, that is integral t square 1 by x dx equal to dt. Now t cube by 3 plus c. What is the t in terms of x? Log x. Now log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Log x base e whole cube by 3. Okay. First one is the right answer. Next one, integral x power 5 square root of 1 plus x cube dx. Now, let 1 plus x cube equal to t square or square root of 1 plus x cube equal to t. Both are same. Okay. Now, derivative with respect to x. Derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of x cube 3x square dx equal to 2t dt. Now numerator x square dx available. X square dx equal to 2 by 3. Bring outside 2 by 3. X square dx. Left with was the x cube. Okay, x cube. Now x square dx equal to 2t 2t by 3 dt by square root of 1 plus x cube. What is 1 plus x cube? T square. This one is t. What is the value of x in terms of t? X cube equal to t square minus 1. T square minus 1. Now t cancelled out. This will be 2 by 3 integral t square minus 1 into dt. Now 2 by 3 integral t square t power 3 by 3 minus t integral 1 dt is t plus c. So now t in terms of x. Okay, take LCM 3. Now this will be 2 by 9 t cube minus 3t plus c. 2 by 9 times of, bring outside t square. T is the common thing in both the terms. Now t times of t square minus 3 plus c. So what is the t in terms of x? Here t equals square root of 2 by 9 square root of 1 plus x cube into t square. 1 plus x cube, t square is 1 plus x cube minus 3 plus c. This will be 2 by 9 times of square root of 1 plus x cube. Now x cube 1 minus 3 minus 2. So which one is the right option? 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Okay. 2 by 9 square root of 1 plus x cube minus 2. So fourth one is the right option. Which one? Fourth one is the right one. Next problem, integral dx by square root of x plus cube root of x. Integral dx by, this one is x power 1 by 2 plus x power 1 by 3. Now let x equal to t power 6. Here 6 is LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. It is the square root, it is the cube root. So 2 and 3 LCM is 6. Let x equal to t power 6. Now with respect to x, derivative with respect to x, dx equal to 6 into t power 5 dt. Okay. Now this will be integral dx. What is dx? 6 bring outside constant. 6 power 5 dt. 6 power 5 dt by x is t power 6. T power 6 over power 1 by 2 t cube plus t power 6 over power 1 by 3, that is t square. Now 6 times of t power 5 dt. What's the common in both the terms? T square is the common. Bring outside t square. Now t plus 1. So 2 times cancel. This will be 6 times of integral t power 3 by t plus 1 dt. Already previous problem chesam same model. Denominator a plus b, numerator a cube. So we have to write in the form of a cube minus b cube. 6 times of t cube minus 1 cube plus 1 by t plus 1 dt. 6 times of a cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A minus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, this one is a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Now a minus b, sorry, the symbol is plus a cube plus b cube. So what is a cube plus b cube formula? A plus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now plus here minus here. Now a cube plus b cube formula, t plus a plus 1 into a square t square b square 1 minus ab minus t by t plus 1. Now minus 6 times of dt minus 6 times of integral 1 by t plus 1 dt. Okay. Now 6 times of these two are cancelled out. Derivative of t integral of t square, integral t square t power 3 by 3 integral 1 t minus integral t square by 2 by minus 6 times of 1 by t plus 1. Integral 1 by x is a log x. So log of t plus 1 plus c. What is the t in terms of x? Here t equals x power 1 by 6. 6 times of, here t is x power 1 by 6. 1 by 6 whole cube by 3 plus 6 root x minus x power 1 by 6 whole square by 2 minus 6 times of log of t is x power 1 by 6 plus 1 plus z. Now 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 into x power 3 2s are square root of x plus 6 into 6 root x. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 into x power cube root of x minus 6 times of log of 6 root of x plus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem. Integral sin cube x dx by cos power 4x plus 3 cos square x plus 1 into tan inverse secant x plus cos x. In this problem, let tan inverse secant x plus cos x be t. Now derivative with respect to x. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. What is x here? Argument secant x plus cos x. Secant x plus cos x whole square into derivative of x. Or derivative of secant x plus cos x. Derivative of secant x. Secant x tan x plus derivative of cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. Okay. 1 by 1 plus secant x 1 by cos x. Cos x LCM is cos x. So 1 by cos x plus cos x 1 plus cos square x 1 plus cos square x by x whole square into secant x tan x minus sin x dx equal to dt. Next, taking LCM, the denominator is cos per x. So numerator is cos square x by cos square x plus a plus b whole square, a square 1, b square cos power 4x plus 2ab 2 cos square x into secant x into tan x. Secant x is 1 by cos, tan x sin by cos. Now sin by cos square x minus sin x dx, not dx, okay, dx equal to dt. Now cos square x by cos power 4x plus 2 times of cos square x plus 1 time cos square x, which is 3 cos square x plus 1 into here sin x bring outside. Sin x is the common in both the terms. Bring outside sin x, so into sin x. Now 1 by cos square x minus 1, 1 minus cos square x by cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x by cos square x dx equal to dt. Cos square x cancelled out. This will be sin square x, sorry, sin x into sin square x, sin cube x by cos power 4x plus 3 cos square x plus 1 dx equal to dt. Sin cube x dx by cos power 4x plus 3 cos square x plus 1. This place value is just dt. Now integral dt by tan inverse secant x plus cos x. Tan inverse secant x plus cos x is t. Now integral 1 by t dt log t plus c. What is the t in terms of x? Log of tan inverse secant x plus cos x. Secant x plus cos x plus c. This is the final answer. Log of t in terms of x is tan inverse secant x plus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Next one, evaluate integral 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 whole square dx. Now integral 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 1, x plus 1 whole square, a square, x square, b square, 1, 2ab, 2x, x square plus 2x plus 1, which is x square plus 2x plus 2. Now whole square dx. Let x plus 1 be tan theta. Why here x plus 1 be tan theta? Tan square theta plus 1. Secant square theta minus tan square equal to 1. So now tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta. Now derivative with respect to x. Okay, tan theta, you wish. So dx equals secant square theta d theta. Dx equals secant square theta d theta. Now integral 1 by x plus 1 tan square theta plus 1 whole square into dx secant square theta d theta. Now integral tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta whole square 1 by secant power 4, 1 by secant power 4 into secant square, 1 by secant square, 1 by secant power 4 theta into secant square theta d theta. This will be integral 1 by secant square theta cos square theta d theta. It is not important, it is not a linear. Yes or no? It is not a linear expression, it is not a linear equation. So cos square theta. Now cos 2 theta equals 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now cos square theta equals 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Okay, it is a linear. Now 1 by 2 bring outside 1 by 2 integral 1 d theta plus integral cos 2 theta d theta. This will be 1 by 2 into integral 1 d theta. So theta plus cos 2 theta integral cos sin 2 theta by 2 theta derivative of 2 theta, that is 2 divided by 2 plus c. What is the t in terms of x? Here theta equals tan inverse of x plus 1. Now half into theta. What is theta? Tan inverse of x plus 1 plus sin 2 theta by 2. Sin 2 theta by 2. Here sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now 1 by 2 into divided by 2, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 tan theta, 2 into tan theta or tan theta x plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. Now 1 plus tan square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta equals x plus 1 whole square plus 1. X plus 1 whole square plus 1 is x square plus 2x plus 2. So finally 1 plus tan square theta equal to x square plus 2x plus 2. X square plus 2x plus 2. 2 cancelled out. Plus c. So now final answer is 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. This is the final answer. Okay, here sin 2 theta in terms of tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now divided by 2, that is half into 2 tan theta is x plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is 1 plus x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square plus 1 is x square plus 2x plus 2. Next one, integral e power x into 1 plus x by cos square. What is the argument? Cos square of argument? X into e power x dx. Can we observe the derivative of x into e power x is e power x into 1 plus x. What is the derivative of x into e power x? Yeah, derivative of x into e power x available in numerator. Now x into e power x could be t. Let x into e power x be t. Now derivative with respect to x. Derivative of u into v. U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Now x into derivative of e power x plus v into e power x into derivative of u. Derivative of x is 1 equal dx. Dx equal to dt. So exactly available in numerator. E power x, bring outside e power x. E power x times of x plus 1 dx equal to dt. So e power x times of 1 plus x dx equal to dt. This will be numerator is dt by cos square x into e power x. This argument value is t. Cos square t. Now integral 1 by cos square secant square t dt. Integral secant square theta. Integral secant square theta is tan t plus c. What is the tan value in terms of x? Here t equal to x into e power x plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem. Evaluate integral e power x whole power x plus x by e whole power x log x dx. Okay. E power x and x by e. X by e is the reverse of e power x. E power x is the reverse of x by e. E power x equal to x by e whole power minus 1. X by e equal to e power x whole power minus 1. Okay. Let x by e whole power x be t. X by e whole power x is t. Now if b by x whole power x equal to 1 by t. This value is 1 by t. Okay, derivative with respect to x. Derivative of a power x. A power x log x. Its the base is a, power is x. Now x by e whole power x. A power x log x. Log x by e plus y plus u method. Next, it is x by e whole power x. This one power x by log x base e. What is the derivative of x power x? X power n into x power n minus 1. Now x into x by e whole power x minus 1. Derivative of x by e. Derivative of x by e is derivative of x is 1 by e into dx equal to dt. Okay. What is the common thing in both? X by e whole power x. X by e whole power x. Now log x, sorry, it is log x by e, log x by e. Now log x by e plus x by e whole power x. Now x into left with us x by e whole power minus 1 into 1 by e. X by e whole power minus 1. This will be e by x. E by x dx equal to dt. E cancelled, x cancelled. X by e whole power n log x base e plus 1 dx equal to dt. Okay, log x by e, it is not a base e. It's your important point here. Log x by e, log x by e. Okay, log a by b applying x by e whole power n log a by b log a minus log b log a by b log a minus log b log x by e log x minus log e plus 1 dx equal to dt. We know that log e always 1, log e base e 1, so minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out. Now finally x by e whole power, not in x by e whole power x log x dx equal to dt. Now integral here x by e power x log x by e power x log x dx equal to dt. Bring outside x by e whole power x log x dx. This place value is 1. Bring outside x by e power x. Now e by x whole power x by x by e whole power x. E power x whole power x by e whole power x into this one. Left with us e power x whole square. These two are cancelled. So 1 into this one, same function. Okay. Integral e power x whole power x. A by b whole power x equals 1 by b by a whole power x. Is that no? Now e by x whole power x equals 1 by x by e whole power x. 1 by x by e whole power x, x by e whole power x. Now 1 by x by e whole power 2x, or integral 1 by x by e whole power x whole square plus 1 x by e whole power x log x dx. X by e whole power x log x dx, this value is dt. This one is dt. Integral 1 by x by e whole power x by e whole power x t. So 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. So integral 1 by t square minus 1 by t plus integral 1 dt t plus c. What is the value of t? X by e whole power x. So minus of e by x whole power x plus x by e whole power x plus c. This is the answer. T equals x by e whole power x. 1 by t equals e by x whole power x. So here 1 by t there. So minus of 1 by t e power x whole power x plus t is x by e whole power x plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, integral 1 by square root of e power 5x. This one is fourth root. This one is fourth root. Fourth root of e power 2x plus e power minus 2x whole cube dx. Now integral 1 by square root of e power 5x. Fourth root, that is whole power 1 by 4. E power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Bring outside e power 2x. E power 2x, that is left with us only 1 plus e power 2 minus 2x by e power 2x. E power minus 4x. I hope you are understanding. e power 2x plus e power minus 2x, bring outside e power 2x, 1 plus e power minus 2x by e power 2x. Now e power 2x times of 1 plus e power 2x, a by m by a power m by a power n, a by m minus n, minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x, e power minus 4x, this one. Okay. Okay, whole cube there. Okay, sorry. So entire function is whole cube. Now again whole power 1 by 4. This one is a whole cube. This function is a whole cube, whole power 1 by 4. This will be integral 1 by square root of means e power 5x by 2, e power 5x by 2, e power 2x whole cube, e power 2 3 is 6x whole power 1 by 4. Now this one 1 plus e power minus 4x whole power 3 into 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Now integral 1 by e power 5x by 2 into e power 6x by 4, that is 3x by 2. 2 3s are 2 2s. Now 1 plus e power minus 4x whole power 3 by 4. Integral dx. Now 1 by integral 1 by e power 5x by 2 e power 3x by 2 e power sum of these two, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, 5x by 2 plus 3x by 2, 2 is the LCM, 8x by 2, 8x by 2 which is 4x, e power 4x into 1 plus e power minus 4x whole power 3 by 4 dx. Okay. Here e power 4x there, here 1 plus e power minus 4x whole power 3 by 4. Now let 1 plus e power minus 4x be t. Now with respect to derivative with respect to x, derivative of constant is 0. Now e power minus 4x, e power x derivative is e power x, e power minus 4x into minus 4x derivative minus 4 dx equal to dt. Now this one equal to minus 4 times of e power minus 4x dx equal to dt. Okay, this will be minus 4 by e power minus 4x dx e power plus 4x dx equal to dt. Now dx by e power 4x, dx by e power 4x equal to minus dt by 4, minus 1 by 4 integral dt by this value is t power 3 by 4. Now minus 1 by 4 integral t power minus 3 by 4 dt. Now minus 1 by 4 integral t power minus 3. So now t power minus 3 by 4, sorry, integral t power minus 3 by 4. Now integral t power minus 3 by 4 equal to t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1, minus 3 by 4 plus 1, that is 1 by 4, t power 1 by 4 by 1 by 4 plus c, 1 by 4 1 by 4 cancelled. Now minus of t power 1 by 4, what is the t in terms of x? So 1 plus e power minus 4x, 1 plus e power minus 4x whole power 1 by 4 plus c. This is the final answer. I hope you are understanding. Next problem. Integral x power minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 2 dx. Integration by second case, all the substitution methods మనం నేర్చుకున్నామండి.
The second method, some proper substitution integral x power m a plus b x power n whole power p dx. పర్టికులర్గా ఐడియా ఉండాలని లేదు, ప్రాబ్లం చూస్తే ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది, కొంచెం క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది, కేసెస్ చెప్తే కొంచెం క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది మీకు. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ x power m into a plus b x power n whole power p dx. P belongs to natural number, P belongs to n, expanded by binomial theorem. P belongs to n, P belongs to natural numbers, expanded by the binomial. That is case 1. Case 2, P belongs to negative integer, then put x equal to t power k, where k is the LCM of m and n. Here m is the x power m, here n is the power x, LCM of x and m. Now already chesam model. So p belongs to negative integer, put x equal to t power k, where k is the LCM of m and n. So when p is negative integer. Next, p belongs to here m plus 1 by n, where m is power of x, here n also power of x in the bracket. Now m plus 1 by n belongs to integer and p belongs to fraction. Here p belongs to fraction. Now put ax, so in bracket value a plus bx power n b t power k, where k is the denominator of p. So suppose 3 by 4 fraction వచ్చిందని p plus the 3 by 4, here k is denominator of the p. So 3 by 4 ఉందనుకోండి, మనకి denominator ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, 4 ఉంది కాబట్టి t power 4 తీసుకోవాలి మనం. So case 1, case 2, case 3. Case 4, m plus 1 by n plus p belongs to integer, then p belongs to fraction and p belongs to fraction. Both the cases, case 4 and case 3, both the cases when p is fraction, p belongs to fraction. Put a plus b into x power n equal t power k into x power n, t power k into x power n. In the previous one is only t power k, where k is the denominator of p. In this case, a plus b x power n equal to t power k into x power n, where k is the denominator of the fraction. In this case also k is the denominator of the fraction. Okay, I will repeat again. This is the integral x power n a plus b into x power n whole power p. P belongs to n, p, when p is a natural number. Now expand the binomial using the binomial theorem. Case 2, p belongs to negative integer. P belongs to negative integer. Put x equal to t power k. Put x equal to t power k. Put x equal to t power k, where k is LCM of m and n. Case 3, m plus 1 by n. M plus 1 by n belongs to integer. M plus 1 by n belongs to integer and p belongs to fraction. And p belongs to fraction. Then then put a plus b x power n equal to just t power k, where k is the denominator of the fraction. Case 4, in this case m plus 1 by n only. Case 3, m plus 1 by n belongs to integer. In this case m plus 1 by n plus p belongs to integer. అంటే m plus 1 by n అనేది మనకి ఇంటీజర్ రాదండి. ఇంటీజర్ వస్తే కేస్ 3, ఇంటీజర్ రాకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి, m plus 1 by n plus p. p అనేది ఫ్రాక్షన్, వచ్చే ఫ్రాక్షన్ యాడ్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఇంటీజర్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. నౌ a plus b into x power n equal to t power k into x power n, where k is the denominator of the fraction. Okay. First problem. Integral x power minus 2 by 3 times of 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 2 dx. Here p belongs to n, expand binomial theorem. 1 plus x whole power n, 1 minus x whole power n, using binomial theorem. And natural number, here it is not a natural number, so first case failed, no use. Second case, negative integer, p belongs to negative integer, it is not a negative integer, no use. Second case. Third case, Here power p is a fraction. Fraction means either 3 or 4. P belongs to fraction case 3. P belongs to fraction case 4. Which one useful చూద్దాం ఏది మనకి యూజ్ అవుతుంది చూద్దాం. If m plus 1 by n belongs to integer case 3, m plus 1 by n plus p belongs to integer. First we need to find m plus 1 by n belongs to integer or does not belongs to integer. సో m plus 1 by n అనేది ఇంటీజర్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, పవర్ లో ఉన్న p వాల్యూ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 అనేది మనకు సూటబుల్ అయిపోతుంది. అదే m plus 1 by n does not belongs to integer, మనకి ఆ వాల్యూ ఇంటీజర్ రాలేదనుకోండి ఏం చేయాలి, ఫోర్త్ కేస్ వెళ్ళాలి. ఫోర్త్ కేస్ ఏం చేయాలండి, p plus 1 by n plus p పవర్ వాల్యూని యాడ్ చేయాలి, ఫ్రాక్షన్ యాడ్ చేయాలి, అప్పుడు ఇంటీజర్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి యూజింగ్ థర్డ్ కేస్. ఫోర్త్ కేస్, థర్డ్ కేస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద in bracket a plus b x power n equal t power k. In this case a plus b x power n equal t power k into x power n. Very important point, power of t, here power of t is k where k is denominator of the p, denominator of the fraction. Okay, so first case, second case no use because power is a fraction. Power fraction, p fraction, it means either third or 4. We need to check. Now m, what is m? Minus 2 by 3. M plus 1 by n, what is n? 1 by 3. మన belongs to integer, integer వచ్చింది అనుకోండి థర్డ్ వన్, ఇంటీజర్ రాకపోతే ఏం చేయాలండి, ప్లస్ p యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ LCM 3, minus 2 plus 3, 1 by 3 by 1 by 3. So belongs to integer. One is the integer. So best one is third one is the best one here. Now in this case, in bracket 1 plus x power 1 by 3 equals to t power k, where k is the denominator of the fraction. What denominator? 2. ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది మనకు, ఆల్రెడీ ఐడియా వస్తుంది. ఎక్స్ పవర్ 1 by 3, ఎక్స్ పవర్ 1 by 3 కి మనం డెరివేటివ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే వస్తుందండి 1 by 3 into x power minus 2 by 3 వస్తుంది. సింపుల్ గా దీని పవర్ ది స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి t స్క్వేర్ అనుకుంటాం, క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఉంది అనుకోండి t క్యూబ్, తెలుసు కదా, ఐడియా ఉంది కదా, ఆల్రెడీ చేసాం మనం మెనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, డెరివేటివ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x, derivative of constant 0. Now 1 by 3 into x power minus 2 by 3 dx equals to 2t dt. Now x power 2 by 3 dx equals to cross multiplication, x power minus 2 by 3 dx equals to 60 dt. Now integral, this value is 60 dt. 1 plus x power 1 by 3 in terms of t square whole power 1 by 2 into t. Now this will be integral 6 t square dt. 6 is the constant, bring outside. T square, integral t square, t power 3 by 3 plus c. 6 times of t, the value of t in terms of x. Now 1 plus, okay, 6 by 3 is 2. 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole cube plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral x power minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power minus 1. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 already explained, already discussed చేసాం కదండి. Power is natural number, p belongs to n, expand by binomial theorem, using binomial theorem. Case 2, here p belongs to negative integer, yes, it is a negative integer, minus 1. In this case, x equal to t power k, where k is LCM of m and n, LCM of m and n.